Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Tomodachi Live. Whenever you're trying to save the game files are not saving and you have to replay the game from the beginning or right in the middle. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, open up your web browser and you need to download .NET. Scroll down and these are the links corresponding to the operating system you have. Like I have Windows, so I'll click on this x64 link, download it, and then install this .NET framework right into your system. Once it is saved, install it, and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. Although if this failed to work out, the only reason it is not saving is because you have downloaded the mods or you have the custom gestures. So to fix out this, you need to right click on the game and click on the option Open User Save Directory. Now right over here, click on the save folder. Now one of the folders available over here, open each of the folders and you will find a folder with the name UGC. If you find a folder with the name UGC, make sure you delete it. It must be available right inside one of these two folders, and after deleting the UGC folder, go ahead and relaunch and replay the game, and the issue of game not saving right onto this emulator will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.